Remove the cover. This stupid cover. Remove it. Then pop this out. Like that. And there's the thermostat housing. Take a bucket, put it under machine. Make sure it's in the right spot. That looks pretty good. Remove the 2 bolts on the thermostat housing. There's the broken piece of crap. And here's the new piece of crap. Next, you fill the system up and you bleed it. Let it run. Let the pump the antifreeze through the system, and with the cap off, just watch the air come out. And as the level gets lower, keep filling it up. Once it's up to temperature and there's no more air coming out, top it off and put the cap on. Piece of junk. There we go. Make sure this thing ain't overheating. Just find something heavy and see how it performs. Whoops. There we go. Running for about a half hour. Check the temperature and god dang it, frick. It's not up to temperature. What the heck, that's better than overheating.